Hi, in this video I will show you how to make the self-assigned roles on the Discord. So the process is pretty simple. So first of all you have to open your browser and you have to search for the Cardboard GG, and once you will search for it, now you have to click on the Cardboard dashboard and you will see login with the Discord. Simply tap on it. So you can do the same procedure on the mobile. I just open my laptop to give you a best explanation of this. So now log into your account. Okay. Now scroll down and click on the authorize. Okay. Now you have to select the server with whom you want to connect this bot. So I simply select this one, or you can simply create a new server, no problem. And you will see, click on the continue and now scroll down and give the authorization again. Now you have to select I am a node robot and you have to select truck from here and click on the next. Again it asking me to select. Okay, Cardboard is connected now. Now you have to click on the get started. Now you can simply open your Discord and you have to open the server. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the, now select the server from here and go to the server settings and click on the roles, and you will see here a create role option, and you will see color with the role, role 1, and select a color with it and click on the create role and skip this step. Okay, a color with green appear here. Now again click on the create role and select with someone else color and click on the create role, and you will see yellow color is appear here. So once you will do it, now go to the back. Now here you have to give some commands, slash question mark reaction role make, click on the enter. Sorry, again I enter question mark reaction role space make. Okay, you will see it start working. Now you have to, so I select, you have to select the channel. So I simply select hash general here and click on the enter. Roles and then place this line, roles. Now you have to choose the color. You can use this website and select any color and copy this code from here and go to the Discord, and you have to paste that color here. Okay, you see its color here. Now you have to select the emoji from here. So select hearts here. I select this color, space blue, write the color name. Now again go to the emoji and select any color, heart, let's suppose red. You have to write the same name of the roles you have entered before. So once you will do it and go to the channel in which you have entered this, so once you will do it, you can check it through reactions. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.